Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to iron elastic shirt. Begin by turning the shirt inside out and laying it flat on the board to protect the elastic. Set your iron to low heat and always test on a hidden seam. Place a thin pressing cloth over the area and press gently without sliding. Work in short bursts and avoid stretching to keep the shirt's shape and elasticity intact. Gather simple tools before you start to make the process smooth and safe. A clean iron with accurate low heat control is essential to avoid melting elastic. Have a thin cotton pressing cloth ready to act as a barrier between iron and fabric. Keep a spray bottle filled with water for slight dampening, or use the iron steam sparingly. A flat, stable board helps you press evenly without stretching the garment. Start at the hem or a seam and work in small sections for the best control. Use press and lift motions with the iron rather than sliding to prevent distortion of the elastic. Keep steam minimal and never point high pressure steam directly at elastic bands. After pressing, allow the shirt to cool completely while lying flat to set the fibers and preserve stretch. Repeat lightly if needed, but avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.